let's just say for most racers, a 2-2 on a pro motocross event in the middle of June would be an incredible overall. Getting on the podium, showing speed, being competitive, right up there for the race win, at least in the first moto and for most of the second moto, would be a dream. A lot of these guys would sit there and would take that happily. And obviously, if you're Haiden Deegan, not exactly what you're looking for. With the whatever you want to call it, rumor talk, fun talk of the undefeated season, possibly. Obviously, that's not the most important part here. It's the championship at the end, but the undefeated season would be the little crowning on top, the thing that very few people have done. And for him, this is almost what you got to feel like a loss at the weekend. Now, obviously, race 1 was a bike problem. He did end up talking about this in the post-race interview, saying, quote, "I'm not sure on what the problem with the bike was. They said at first it's on you, then they're like it's not on you, so I don't know what happened. I just lost all of my power. It is what it is, and that second moto I ended up tipping it over, but whatever, 2-2 on the day, so not bad, and we doubled the points." Now, yes, he's very well in the lead, however you want to say that. Hymas missing the second moto of last round. I think he doubled his points lead. Yeah, and we doubled the points. Yeah. So for him, this isn't exactly a championship crusher. This isn't the worst thing in the world. And yes, the undefeated season would have been cool. That'd be something to hang on your hat, have that little extra bit of like history made. But the championship's what's really mattering here. Collecting points, doubling your lead against the guy in second, and being consistent, not hurting yourself, not over pushing, not blowing the bike up in race 1, and then losing all of those points was a really smart race for him. He could have said, nah, screw it. I'm going for Hymas. I'm going to pass him whether I destroy this or not. But the lead that they had, what was it, like 45 seconds or something like that to third, was incredible. I mean, the two of them in Thunder Valley were on a completely separate realm of racing at that point. And he did end up continuing to say, "Today was pretty good for what it could have been in that first moto with my bike almost blowing up. Honestly, it's a consistent day, and I doubled my points gap. A lot of these guys threw away their first rounds, and that's where I'm good. I'm just consistent, and that's why I win these championships. So yeah, I just want to stay consistent throughout the year, and if it's a 2-2, then we'll take it. But we want to be winning. We'll go back to work this week and hopefully come out on top next week." Now, obviously, again, championship is the goal. They've got their 2-year plan. Obviously, it's win Supercross this year. Did it. Go out, win the motocross championship. Looks like that's on track at the moment. Obviously, would like to win another SMX playoff championship. And then, next year, defend the 250 title, probably. If it all works out, defend this motocross title. Again, another SMX playoffs, or whatever you want to call it, title. And then 27, we're on to the 450s. So if everything goes as planned, I mean, obviously at this point, he's in a very good position to do it. Who knows? And obviously there is the little rumor about some angry words between him and the team and Bobby Reagan, and who knows? But comment down below. You guys tell me what you think. Does he win the title? Does somebody else come up and challenge him? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.